Hey guys, it's Amanda from Amanda Loves Animals, and I'm sorry there wasn't a video on Saturday. I did make a video, and then I didn't export, and I didn't upload, and I got real annoyed. So I really wanted to do like a paw print thing with Sadie. She doesn't like water, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but I saw a thing online where if you do Kool-Aid and water and make like a paste, it's like really non-toxic, simple way to do this. I don't know how it's gonna go because it also is orange. That's not really a bright color. So I'm just gonna take, it says not to add too much water, you just kind of want to paste. So I'm just gonna add this. And we'll add a little bit of water. I think I'm just gonna add more Kool-Aid until it's like not watery. Okay, you're okay. Just gonna dip your paw. Sadie, come on. It's okay. Good girl. Sadie, it's okay. Come here. I'm so sorry. That is a quality paw print.